everyone, Eric Pickhartz here. Welcome to the decked adventure-built F-150 giveaway. Over the next several weeks, we're adding tons of amazing products to this F-150 Lariat 4x4 SuperCrew to build one impressive custom adventure truck. What's most exciting is that we're actually giving this thing away, plus $20,000 cash for a total value of over $88,000. After this video, be sure to enter to win, which is totally free, but first, let's check to see what we're doing this week.
Hey guys, it's Dorian here at Trident Motorsports, and we thought it'd be very important that if you're off grid for a few days, you're definitely gonna need to eat and drink. So we went and hooked it up with a powered portable cooler. This Dometic portable cooler is actually very unique because it's basically a mini fridge that's portable, so you can take it anywhere you want. And it is not only just a refrigerator, it actually has a freezer compartment in it. And the cooler is app controlled, so you can control the temperature from each compartment to get that perfect temp for that drink or food, as long as you keep it plugged into a power source. So the solar panel system is feeding the truck power, and it's not stationary, so you don't have to move your vehicle around to catch the sunlight. And whether you're camping, tailgating, or just barbecuing with the family, I know the winter would definitely love this option.
Before we hand this thing off to the lucky winner, we knew we wanted to take it out on some off-road trails to really put it to the test. But we've been at it all morning and it was time for a rest. So I wanted to check out this Dometic cooler. This thing is super versatile. If you are driving through some really crazy terrain, you can secure it inside so it's not bouncing around back here in the bed. This thing is big enough to bring meals for days. Whatever guilty pleasures you have in your freezer, it doesn't matter. Steaks, veggies, ice cream, you name it, it holds a lot. On top of that, it's a really big benefit for those who are hunting or fishing. If you get your hands on some game meat, you can put it inside of here without having to worry about ice at all. That's because this solar panel here keeps the entire truck powered. And it's portable instead of being fixed to a certain spot on the truck. That means you don't have to move every few hours to chase sunlight. It powers the truck completely so you can still use the outlets inside the cab to charge your phones or your GPS or whatever. This really does allow you to be fully off-grid, never dead. I'd say this is one of the unsung heroes of the whole build. Well, that's it for this week's episode of the Adventure Built F-150 giveaway powered by Decked. It's free to enter, so be sure to enter today through the link here in this video for your chance to win this, plus $20,000 cash, and follow us for the remainder of these awesome upgrades as we build out one impressive off-road adventure truck. Until next time.